Good evening, everybody. Mark here from Mark's Garage. As you can see, I've unboxed some new parts here tonight for the Panigale V4S. I'm going to be installing these tomorrow. I'll break my no more tire machine out. I'm going to spoon on the tires for these OZ GASS RAs wheels. These are in gloss black. So something I really wanted for a while now. I was going back and forth on several different wheels that I wanted to try out. And I settled on these OZs just because they had some race pedigree behind them. The machining on them is beautiful. The finish on them is beautiful. Price is right on them. Got these from Moto Wheels in the USA. Moto Wheels does a military discount, so that was helpful to me. I'm retired from the Air Force, so get these from Moto Wheels. It took about a week and a half before they shipped to me. So these are the forged aluminum version. They do make a magnesium version of these as well too that looks almost exactly the same design, but I went with the forged aluminum. As far as weight goes, they're marginally lighter than I think there's a few other people that have had them and weighed them. I think they're marginally lighter than the Marchesini forged aluminum wheels that come stock on the V4S. This is mainly a looks mod. I'm really not a fan at all of the 3-spoke design on the Marchesinis and the flat black finish. Just not a fan of them really. Plus, who likes stock anyways, right? So my plan is to sell these Marchesinis. If anybody's interested, they're going for some pretty decent money. Guys wanting to upgrade and stuff from the standard version wheels to those. So I'll put them for sale, sell them up. These are great wheels though. I really dig them. I like the dish on them, and I like the concave design on the back. I think the back in particular looks a lot better than the Marchesinis. Great stuff. As you see, they come with valve stems already installed when you get them. Basically ready to mount the tires, balance the tires, and disc brakes. I've already test fitted the rear on these and just make sure everything's fine on it. And I'll do the front first thing in the morning there and pull the rotors off of the stock wheels, test fit everything before I spoon the tires on. Always a good idea to do that when you get some new wheels. Make sure test fit everything before you mount the tires. Once you mount the tires, put marks on the wheels, it's pretty much too late as far as setting them back. So very excited about these. So one of the wheels is always one of the things I like to upgrade on my bikes. So just to set it apart from the other bikes on the road. So really excited about this. All right, so tomorrow we're gonna bust the Nomar out. The tires got plenty of life left on them still. I haven't even really broke the back one in yet. Still got the chicken strips on it. So I'll get that done. Get them on there and give you guys an update video tomorrow with installed pics if everything goes well. So have a great night. If you haven't liked or clicked and subscribed already, please do so. Mark here signing off for the night.